Now, amid showdown over the lateral entry, BJP has upped the attack against the Congress party. It has said that Congress started the lateral entries and BJP only regularized old ad hoc process and quota applies to the lateral entries is what is being said by the Bharatiya Janata Party. My colleague Amita joins us with more details. Amita, what is Bharatiya Janata Party saying?
Right, Akansha, as far as we have seen what Rahul Gandhi and the allegations that have now been leveled by him, because he's been saying that this is on part of the RSS Sangh, that the Lok Sabha mein bhartiyon ka संविधान पर हमला कर रहे हैं, to which Amit Malviya has given a detailed response where he says कि कितनी बार समझाना पड़ेगा. सेम बात 2018 में भी इसी तरह का भ्रम फैलाने का प्रयास किया गया था, लेकिन जब डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह और मोंटेक सिंह आहलूवालिया ने जैसे प्रमुख विशेषज्ञ जहां तक अगर लैटरल एंट्रेंस के ऊपर सवाल जब पूछे गए थे तो कांग्रेस को जैसे मानो सांप ही सूंघ गया. सच ये है कि पहले कांग्रेस इस सरकार के लैटरल एंट्रेंस की भर्ती बिना किसी प्रक्रिया के आधार पर करती थी. उस समय उनके द्वारा लिए गए इन निर्णयों के ने इसके आरक्षण के अधिकार का हनन किया. क्या तब उनके द्वारा की गई इन नियुक्ति को सिविल सेवकों के मनोबल पर प्रभाव नहीं पड़ा था? और उस एड हॉकिज्म को खत्म करने करके भारत सरकार अब ये सुनिश्चित किया है कि जहां तक लैटरल एंट्रीज की बात की जाए तो स्थापित दिशा निर्देश के आधार पर की जाए, जिसका कोटा और आरक्षण प्रणाली पर कोई प्रभाव ना पड़े. एंड ही इज गिवन एंड साइटेड सेवरल एग्जांपल्स टू दैट इफेक्ट वेयर ही इज सेइंग एंड आल्सो आस्किंग द कांग्रेस पार्टी सेइंग कि झूठ बोलना अब बंद करें.
The political showdown over the lateral entry into UPSC continues. The Congress party says that this is a bit to privatize the civil services and end reservation. On the other hand, we saw the reaction coming from the Bharatiya Janata Party. They have countered the opposition's allegation. They've said that the concept of the lateral entry was first introduced under the Congress-led UPA regime, and in fact, the prime example is that of Manmohan Singh. Now, the first batch of such officers recruited on lateral basis was cleared on August 2019 when 9 senior executives from the private sector were appointed to the post of joint secretaries in various departments. Now, out of the 6,000 initial applicants, UPSC had, in fact, the 9 candidates were selected, and RTI filed in 2021 has revealed that out of 7 executives who continued serving as the joint secretaries, 2 were from the general category and 1 was from the OBC community. Now, this is as far as the showdown over the lateral entry into UPSC is concerned. Congress has, in fact, attacked the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that this is a bid to privatize the civil services. BJP has countered, saying that their step is good, and also the same was brought by the Congress party during their rule. With this